Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started chapter types of software and we were discussing about system software. Today also we will continue with system software. So here we have loader. Now what is loader? A system software that is used to transfer. This is also a system software and that is used to transfer a program from secondary storage device to primary memory of the computer. Primary memory of computer, that means RAM. Okay, that means RAM. That is only primary memory or main memory. Clear? So what is loader? What is the use of loader? It is used to transfer a program from secondary storage device to primary memory of computer. The moment you open any program, this loader immediately transfer from secondary storage device to primary memory. Clear? Any program can be anything. Suppose you want to play any video, that also can be transferred by the loader, then only you can play the video. Okay, suppose you want to write, suppose you want to listen any music, for that also loader works. Okay, now text editor. Now what is text editor? An example of text editor, we have Notepad in our computer. Okay, a system software used to provide a platform. So it's a kind of platform where a program can be written, so it's a kind of text editor where we can write the program. Okay, so generally Java programming we can do in Notepad. Okay, Java. Clear? So this is a platform where we can write the program. Now come to the utility software, and this is very important in computer. Okay, what is utility software? So utility software is a system software that performs specific task related to managing a computer. So it's manage a computer. Okay, it managing a computer, its devices or its program. This program assist in smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Okay, so we can say utility software manage the smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Okay, and these are the example of utility software: backup, scanning, disk fragmentation, antivirus software are some example of utility software. So you must have heard about antivirus software and backup, even scanning also. Okay, now we are going to see one by one. Now backup. What is backup? Backup is a system software that allows to get a duplicate copy of the files from computer hard disk to external hard disk of storage media. So this helps us to take the duplicate copy of a file or folder from internal hard disk to external hard disk. Okay, in case of data loss, we can use this backup to recover the data. Okay, or in other words we can say this is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Now let me give you the steps to back up the hard disk. Okay, so we have 6 steps. Let me read out the steps. Step number 1, connect the external hard disk with your computer. First, you're supposed to connect your external hard disk with your CPU, okay, or computer. Step number 2, on Windows screen, click search option available on the top right corner of the screen. So it's depend on your operating system. Each operating system having different option, okay, different search options, so you can find out on the screen. Clear? Now step number 3, type backup in the search text box and press enter key. After that, you're supposed to type backup, then press enter key. File history setting from the menu appeared. Set the file history option on, then finally click backup now button. The file will start backing up on the external storage device. So these are the steps which you have to follow for backup. Okay, now scanning a hard disk drive. First let me discuss what is scanning. It is a process to detect and remove the virus from the hard disk. So it is a process to detect or to find the virus in the computer hard disk and remove. Okay, detect and remove the viruses from the computer hard disk for efficient working of the computer system, and this is done by the antivirus software or antivirus utility. Okay, and the example of antivirus software we have Kaspersky, Quick Kill Antivirus, okay, Avast, AVG, etc. So scanning can be done using antivirus software. Okay, so this scanning help us to detect the virus in computer hard disk and remove from the hard disk. Now booting. What is booting? The starting a procedure that loads operating system in computer memory is known as booting. The moment you start the computer, this operating system gets loaded in computer memory is known as booting. Okay. Now virus. It is an unwanted data that enters into a computer and disturb the normal functioning of operating system. So it's a kind of data, but this is unwanted data, okay, which enter the computer and disturb the normal functioning operating system. You might have noticed sometimes computer doesn't work, sometimes stuck. So this is because of virus. Okay, this can be because of virus. Okay, so virus disturb the normal functioning of operating system. Now let me give you the process of scanning. What are the steps you have to follow for scanning computer hard disk scanning? Okay, so we have some step. Let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. So step number 1, double click on computer icon. The first you're supposed to double click on computer icon. Step number 2, computer window will be displayed showing different drives and devices. Step number 3, choose the drive to be scanned and click right button of the mouse. Step number 4, a drop down menu will appear. Click on the option Quick Heal Total Security Scan. Now step number 5, scanning will get started. Step number 6, click on close button. So these are the steps which we have to follow for scanning. Now let me show you the practical how to scan. First, double click on computer. Here you can see computer icon. Then you can see on the screen I am having 3 drive, C drive, D drive and E drive. Okay, so like this you can find out in your computer. Suppose you want to scan this E drive, then you supposed to select the drive, then press right button of the mouse. Okay, then press right button of the mouse. Then here you can find out Quick Heal Internet Security Scan. Okay, so I am having Quick Heal Internet Security, that's why it is showing here. So it's depend on your software. Suppose you have Avast software, then you will get here Avast scanning, something like that. Okay, so here you can see Quick Heal Internet Security Scan. Now I'm going to click on this to start scanning. As you can see on the screen, now it's started. Here you can see scanning in progress. Okay, scanning in progress. Understood? So this is how we can scan. Now I'm going to stop this. So here we have the stop option to stop the scanning. Clear? So this is how we can scan. Okay, this is how we can scan the drives. Clear to you? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.